In this video, you'll learn how to do a fast MariaDB database restore with Vinchin Backup and Recovery via simple configurations. Before we begin, please make sure you have created backups of the target MariaDB instance using Vinchin Backup and Recovery. There are some prerequisites that need to be done and checked before we start a restore job. Please carefully read the notice here to avoid any errors. Restore MariaDB database requires the following operations to be done by DBA, the database administrator. If you choose Override Original Database as the restore mode, please let the DBA confirm the following operations in advance. If you choose Redirect Restore to New Path as the restore mode, you also need the DBA to confirm the following settings first. Now, we can open and log into the Vinchin Backup Server web console and navigate to Database Backup Restore page to create a restore job. Step 1. Choose a restore point. All available database restore points will be shown in the list here, which is based on the previous backup jobs. Under a full MariaDB restore point, you can select either an incremental restore point or log backup restore point. The log backup restore point can roll back the database to any point in time between the full backup and the selected log backup. Once done, click Next. Step 2. Choose a restore destination. Here from the target instance list, you can select the target added MariaDB server as the restore destination. Step 3. Set up the restore strategy. There are two restore modes for MariaDB database, which are Override Original Database and Redirect Restore to New Path. Select a restore mode and make sure you had checked all the prerequisites mentioned previously. Here we choose Redirect Restore to New Path. Fill in the temporary directory path and the new directory path. If you had selected Log Backup Restore Point in Step 1, the rollback time feature here is what you can enable to further choose a desired time point within the given range, which you can see more details in the Select Rollback Time field. If rollback time feature is not enabled, the backup server will restore the database to the latest point in time when the backup was taken. If you want to set a restriction on the restore speed for not to let it take up too much network bandwidth, you can define a max speed for data transport in the speed controller field. The same as backup job settings, you can set the speed controller policy to run as scheduled or be a permanent one. For an as scheduled policy, you can define a start time and end time of the policy within a day, week, or month. For a permanent policy, you can just simply define a max speed, and once enable it, the transfer speed will always be subject to the policy, no matter when a restore job runs. When done, you can click Next to review all the settings and submit the job. Once submitted, the Vinchin Backup Server will automatically run the restore job and go to Monitor Center Jobs page. You can click the target job name to monitor its processing status in real time. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.